Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 10 best side hustles for beginners that you can start right now from the comfort of your own home. These are great ways to earn some extra cash, express your creativity, learn some skills, or even launch your own full-time business. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So, what is a side hustle? A side hustle is a small business that you pursue alongside another, usually more stable job, often to earn additional income. Side hustles are also referred to as side jobs or side gigs. According to a 2022 survey from Side Hustle, 45% of working Americans have a side hustle or added income stream. There are many benefits to having a side hustle, such as you can make more money to pay off debt, save for vacation, or invest in your future. You can explore your passions and hobbies and turn them into profitable ventures. You can learn new skills and gain experience that can help you advance in your career or start your own business. You can have more fun and satisfaction by doing something you enjoy and making a positive impact on others. But how do you find the right side hustle for you? Well, there are a few things to consider, such as your goal. What do you hope to achieve with your side hustle? Do you want to earn more money, express your creativity, have more fun, participate in a community, learn about running a business, or create a launchpad for full-time self-employment? Your skills. What are you good at or interested in? What skills do you already have or want to learn? How can you use your skills to provide value to others? Your time. How much time can you dedicate to your side hustle? How flexible is your schedule? How do you balance your side hustle with your other commitments? Your market. Who are your potential customers or clients? What problem are you solving for them? How much are they willing to pay for your solution? How can you reach them and market your services or products? Once you have some clarity on these questions, you can start looking for some side hustle ideas that match your criteria. To help you out, I've compiled a list of 10 side hustles that are perfect for beginners. These are drop shipping. This is where you sell products online without having to deal with inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You simply create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Find products from third-party suppliers like Alibaba or Aberlo and market them to your customers. When someone places an order, you forward it to the supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. You make money by charging more than what the supplier charges you. Crafting/artists. If you have a talent for making things by hand or creating original artwork, you can sell your creations online through platforms like Etsy or Saatchi Art. You can make anything from jewelry, candles, soap, pottery, paintings, prints, sculptures, and more. You can also create custom orders for clients who want something personalized. Digital creative. You can provide digital services like video editing, graphic design, web design, animation, podcast creation, and more if you prefer working on a computer over using actual things. On websites like Fiverr or Upwork, you can discover customers in need of these skills, or you can build a website for your online portfolio and promote yourself there. App and web development. Are you tech savvy and love coding? App and web development might be your calling. As the digital world continues to expand, the demand for skilled developers is ever growing. Whether you're into mobile app development or website creation, you can find freelance opportunities or even work on your projects and turn them into a source of passive income. Online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching and helping others learn, you can become an online tutor. You can teach any subject that you are knowledgeable about, such as math, science, languages, music, or even hobbies like chess or yoga. You can find students who need your help on platforms like TutorMe or Preply, or create your online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Virtual assistants. If you are organized, reliable, and good at multitasking, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative, technical, or creative support to clients online. You can do tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, booking travel, doing research, data entry, social media management, and more. You can find clients who need your help on platforms like Fancy Hands or Belay, or reach out to businesses or entrepreneurs directly. Blogging. You can create a blog about a subject that interests you if you like to write and provide other people with your thoughts, experiences, or advice. Your blog can generate income for you by showing advertisements, promoting affiliate items, selling your goods or services, or accepting sponsored blog posts from businesses. Using blogging systems like WordPress or Medium, you may establish a blog and expand your readership by producing meaningful content and promoting it online. YouTubing. If you prefer making videos rather than writing, you can start a YouTube channel on a topic that interests you. You can make videos about anything from gaming, cooking, beauty, fitness, comedy, education, and more. You can make money from your YouTube channel by displaying ads, promoting affiliate products, selling your products or services, or getting sponsored posts from brands. Using your smartphone or camera, you may launch a YouTube channel. By producing interesting content and promoting it online, you can expand your following. Podcasting. You can start a podcast about a subject that interests you if you like to talk and share your thoughts, stories, or advice with others. Advertising, promoting affiliate items, selling your goods or services, or accepting sponsored posts from companies are all ways you can monetize your podcast. By creating valuable material and publicizing it online, you may start a podcast using tools like Anchor or SoundCloud and increase your listenership. Print on demand. This is where you sell products online that are printed with your designs. You can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, stickers, posters, pillows, and more. You simply upload your designs to platforms like Printful or Teespring, and they will print and ship the products to your customers whenever someone places an order. You make money by charging more than what the platform charges you. So there you have it, 10 side hustles for beginners that you can start right now from the comfort of your own home. I hope this video gave you some inspiration and motivation to pursue your side hustle dreams. If you have any questions or comments about these side hustles or any other side hustle ideas that you want to share with me and the community, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you want to learn about how to start and grow your side hustle successfully, make sure you check out my other